be showing you how to get this background and this clear audio using CapCut, using the CapCut Pro features to make your videos clean and sharp. So we're going to be editing this video together because obviously this is not my real background. I'm currently filming this video in my living room and my voice is not as clear as it is right now, but I was able to do it using the CapCut Pro features, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too, step by step. Keep watching, don't miss any part. Let's dive into it. Now I've imported the background into the CapCut editing app. The next thing you want to do is to overlay your video. Overlay, add overlay, and you put in the video you want to use. So as you can see, our video is there with the original background. So the next thing you want to do is to extend it so that it will be equal, like both the background and the video, you want it to be equal. But I'm not going to extend this to the end because this video is too long for a tutorial. So let me just shorten it a bit. So you can see the length of the background and the length of the video are the same. So you want to go to the beginning and click on the overlaid video and you expand it to fill up the background like this. Once you are done with that, then you go ahead to remove the background. Then you go to remove BG and click on auto remover. You can see the pro version on it, which means if you click on this, you are not going to get it if you're on a free version, but I will show you how you can do it for free. So we click on it and allow it to load. So after removing the background, look at it, look how it is. Then you can now adjust it to wherever you want it to be. Obviously the center will be better. So let's just put it a bit down. Okay, we are good. Then we can check what we've done if we like it. I'm going to be showing you how to get this background. As you can see, it is okay. So you can decide to add a blur effect on your background if you want to do that. But me, I don't see the need to blur the background. So the next thing you want to do now is to take a screen record of this video from beginning to the end. You heard me right, a screen record of this video from beginning to the end, because you can see that the pro feature is now showing because we've changed our background, right? You see, you are using the following premium feature. So they're telling us to join CapCut Pro, but no. So when you are done screen recording this video from beginning to the end, then you click on this X here to cancel it, and you click on new project to import that screen recorded video. Okay, as you can see, this is the screen recorded video. All you have to do is to tap on it, and then you go to transform, you go to resize 16:9, then you drag it to fill it up like this. As you can see, this is perfect like this. Then we click on this check mark, then you go back and look for aspect ratio and change it to the aspect ratio for YouTube, which is 16:9. As you can see, it is there. Then check. You can see up that the pro version is no longer there, right? So we have to sharpen this video back again because of all the things we did. The video is no longer clear. All you have to do is to go to my favorites. I call it my favorites. You click on the video and you go to adjust, and you go to sharpen. I love sharpen. In fact, this is my best. This is the best thing I always do every time on CapCut. Sharpen. See, when you take it like this, you can see my face. You can see the difference. So 100 is too much. Sometimes I do 50, sometimes I do 60, depending on my face, how my face is popping out well. So let's just do 60 here. Okay, 60, then apply to all. Okay, already, then check. So you can see that there's no pro version on this again, but when you play this, you will see that it's not starting from the beginning because obviously you did a screen record. Do you see? So what you're going to do is to take this video and drag it to where you started speaking. Do you understand? You drag it to where you take your time to do this, and you are done. Now you can go over to export and export your video. Okay, simple and easy. So now let's go over to enhancing our voice. All you have to do is, while the cursor is still highlighting your video, you come to enhance voice and you check it, you put it on, and then you can increase this, you can minimize it so you can do other things. You click on minimize and increase it to 100%. I'm going to be showing you how to get this background and okay, so you just allow it to load very well on it, then it will apply the feature by itself. As you can see that the Pro feature is back there again because we have activated a Pro feature, so that's why it's showing Pro here. But I'll show you how you can also remove it and still get your voice enhanced. So let's wait for the feature to be applied. See, it is loading here.
I'm gonna be showing
As you can see, it said voice enhanced. Let me increase it for you so you can hear it.
I'm gonna be showing you how to get this background and this clear audio using CapCut.
As you can see, the voice is well enhanced. I'm supposed to play the before for you and after, but sorry, but this is how you can do it. Then once you've done this, to remove this Pro feature, you have to take a screen record of this again. But this time around, remember, sorry, I didn't say it the first time. Anytime you are taking a screen record, you make sure you decrease the volume to the center, or just decrease the volume a bit so that it will not be too loud and echoing. You understand? So you reduce the volume like to the center, and then you take a screen record of this from beginning till the end. Okay, once you've done that, you go back to enhance voice and you turn it off.
I'm gonna be showing you how to get this.
You see, we have done that. Then next you want to do is to mute this clip from beginning to the end. You mute it. You can see mute clip here. You click on mute clip, and then you go to audio. Click on either you click on this audio here, or you click on audio here, and you go to extract. Right? When you click on this extract, then you extract the voice, or yes, you extract the voice from the screen recorded clip that you did. Okay, so let's just quickly do that. Extract. Okay, so all you have to do is to ensure that what you are saying and the extracted voice is like together, is not conflicting themselves. You understand? So you have to adjust it to ensure that what you are saying is the same thing. Once you get what you are looking for, then you are done. Do you see that the Pro feature is no longer there? Simple.
I'm gonna be showing you.
You see that it's not yet there. So we have to continue adjusting it until we get what we are looking for.
I'm going to be showing you how to get this background.
As you can see, it's there now. You can see I have edited it or tried to push it so that the extracted voice and what I'm saying is coming together. Since I have muted the clip, did you see that? Very simple. Very, very simple. And now the Pro feature is no longer there. So you can just export this video ASAP, like free of charge, FOC. Don't let anybody hear this, okay? Now you have seen how I did this. It is very, very easy. So in your next project, you can enhance your voice for free, okay? Just implement all of this that I did right now, and you get a clean, noiseless video clip. All right, thank you very much for watching. See ya.
Now you can remove your background like a pro and fix your audio in seconds without paying a dime. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Why? Because in my next video, I'm going to be showing you the trick I use to remove watermarks on CapCut. Yes. Honestly, it might work for you, it might not work for you. I don't know, because I've not tried it on any other device other than my phone. As you can see, this video, I did everything on CapCut. No watermarks here, no watermarks here, no watermarks here, no watermarks here. So I'm going to be sharing it with you guys in my next video. So you want to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post that video. See you there.